This is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to learn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during your crocheting process. Please make sure to first view the beginning 10 instructional videos to learn the basic methods of crocheting, and then view the instructional videos for your purchased product. The Panda, the main body. You should crochet the main body with white and black yarns. In order to show the stitches more clearly, we'll use other colored yarn for demonstration. You should use the corresponding yarn in the kit, according to the instruction. We'll use coffee yarn instead of white yarn for demonstration. Please refer to the stitches, ignoring the yarn's color. Pinch the yarn tail with your right hand. Wrap the yarn around your middle finger, and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Work into a match crane. Make loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger, yarn around hook, and pull up loop. A match crane is formed on the middle finger. Work into a match crane. Wrap the yarn around your middle finger. Then bring it up to index finger. Make loop around your middle finger. Pinch the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on your middle finger. Yarn on the hook, pull up a loop. The loop on the middle finger becomes the match crane. In round 1, work 1 chain stitch, 6 crochets, and 1 slip stitch. Yarn on the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's 1 chain stitch. First, work a chain stitch. Yarn on the hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. The chain stitch at the beginning is to raise a height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 crochets. Insert hook into the match crane. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn around the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Insert hook into the match crane. Pull up loop through the match crane. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn around the hook, pull through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is done. Such a V shape is formed on the side. Place a marker in the first stitch. Through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. Mark the first stitch of every round. Insert hook into the match crane. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then yarn around hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. Insert hook into the match crane. hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then yarn and hook, and pull through both loops on the hook. The third single crochet is done. There are 3 V shapes, which stand for 3 single crochets. Continue to work 3 more single crochets in the same way. Six V shapes on the side stand for 6 single crochets. The loop on the hook is not counted as one stitch. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Finally, work 1 snip stitch in the marking stitch. Remove the marker. Insert the hook into the marking stitch. Yarn and hook, and pull up loop. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then pull the first loop through the original loop on the hook. That's 1 snip stitch. Snip stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. That's a snip stitch. Repeat. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. Repeat 1 more time. Okay, that's a snip stitch. Make sure to tighten up when you work the snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a collection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If it's too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape. Round 1 is done. In round 2, work 1 chain stitch, 6 increases, and 1 snip stitch. Yarn and hook, and pull through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, where we just worked the snip stitch of last round. Place a marker in the first stitch, through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. Mark the first stitch of every round. 1 single crochet is done. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Increase. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, We'll show how to work one increase. First, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then, work one more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are done. Finally, work one snip stitch. Insert the hook into the mark stitch, yarn hook and pull-up loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then pull the first loop through the remaining loop on the hook. That's one snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a collection. It's not counted into the number of stitches. Round 2 is done.